Hey viewers, today I'm going to tell you how you can use your mobile camera as a webcam. First, open any browser and search for DroidCam. Click on the first website and download DroidCam from there. Open it and install it. Now open the Play Store on your mobile. Search for DroidCam. Install the first application you see. Open it. Give permissions to app. Now open DroidCam on your PC. Enter the device IP address shown here and click Start. Now see your mobile camera is being used as a webcam. Now let me show you. The camera is working too. Because of this, you can also make video calls on WhatsApp and Facebook from your PC. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates.